Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are comparing two discount brokers of India, TradeSmart Online and Upstox. Upstox was also called RKSV in the recent past. In this comparison, we'll be talking about company backgrounds, account opening charges, brokerage, exposure or leverage offered across segments, research or any trading education initiatives these stockbrokers provide, trading platforms, specifically we'll be looking at the mobile app, and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. Starting with the company background, both of these are discount brokers in nature. TradeSmart Online has seen a lot of transitions in terms of the business model. They are part of the VNS Finance Group that was established back in the year 1994, and today they are a trading arm of the same finance company. RKSV or Upstox were established recently in the year 2012, and now they have 3 offices across different parts of India, while TradeSmart Online just has its headquarters. The both stockbrokers are members of NSE, BSE and commodity exchanges of the country. Further, if you're looking to open an account with them, TradeSmart Online charges you 200 rupees for trading and 200 separately for your demat account. They also have a maintenance fees of 300 every year. RKSV or Upstox charges you nothing, neither for account opening or for account maintenance. Definitely this is one of the USPs of Upstox, but at the same time it's more of a marketing strategy as well to acquire more clients. So we would suggest you to look at other aspects, other parameters as well, apart from just looking at account opening or maintenance fees. If we talk about brokerage, there is a slight difference. RKSV has a flat rate of 20 rupees per executed order. They have started charging you 0 rupees for equity delivery segment. So if you're buying a stock today and selling it tomorrow or later, then you don't need to pay any brokerage for that particular order. TradeSmart Online has 3 different brokerage plans depending on users' preferences. Let's talk about that in detail. So we are using our digitalblogger.com for reference here. So there are 3 plans. One of them is the value plan, that basically is a percentage of your trade value. Depending on the amount you're trading on the stock market, the corresponding brokerage will be calculated. Then there is a power plan, 15 rupees per executed order against Upstox 20 rupees. So this is a slighter cheaper plan comparatively. And then there is an infinity plan as well for heavy or medium traders, for people who like to trade in a high scale or high volume. They can opt for these kinds of plans where you need to pay one-time cost of 4,000 rupees per month, and you can trade on an unlimited level across the equity segments, including feature and options. As far as currency is concerned, you need to pay around 2,000 rupees, and similarly for commodity segment, the price is at 4,000 rupees. So this is something which is very much specific to people who are looking to trade on a heavily basis month to month. So on the brokerage perspective, TradeSmart Online gives a lot of options, a lot of flexibility to its clients, and they can pick as per their preferences. If we talk about exposure or leverage, well, TradeSmart Online is one of the highest exposure providers in the country right now at 30 times for intraday. RKSV is also decent at 20 times. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's a loan provided by your stockbroker at a specific percentage of your interest. So for example, in case you have 10,000 rupees in your trading account balance, TradeSmart Online can allow you to trade up to 3 lakh rupees for intraday trades in equity, and RKSV can allow you up to 2 lakh rupees simply because they have exposure up to 30 to 20 times. In other segments as well, TradeSmart Online is marginally better, but it's more or less the same. So in case you're looking to trade in intraday level, then TradeSmart Online is a definite better choice for you. Otherwise, you can pick either of these 2 stockbrokers. If we talk about customer service, now both of these are discount brokers. You can't really have much of expectations from these kind of brokers. But as far as communication channels are concerned, TradeSmart Online does a decent job. They've got email support, live chat and phone, while RKSV does not really have a live chat feature. Obviously, they don't have a toll-free number or any offline branch. But in terms of the overall quality, the resolution level, the overall time taken to resolve your concern or other things that relate basically the quality of the overall customer service, TradeSmart Online does a decent job compared to RKSV. If we talk about research and trading products, now since these are discount brokers, again they don't really provide you any kind of reports or recommendations, neither on fundamental nor on technical level. But what they do is, specifically RKSV or Upstox, what they do is they provide you regular sort of webinars or seminars through different cities, different parts of the country, and you can learn about trading or investing, learning about basics and fundamentals of these trades and get over it as far as education is concerned. There is not such of an initiative coming out from TradeSmart Online as of now, so RKSV does a decent job comparatively. In terms of trading segments, you can't really invest or trade in IPOs if you are a client of Upstox, but you can do it while working with TradeSmart Online. Other than that, there's not much of a difference. Both of these stockbrokers give you a range of trading and investment products to deal with. Talking about some other features, again, not much of a difference here. Automatic trading, something which is Upstox, which Upstox is providing, while TradeSmart Online does not. But if we talk about their trading platforms, let's spend some time on that. We'll start with the mobile app. So we are using Google Play Store for reference here. We'll start with the TradeSmart Online's mobile app called Sign. As far as the rating is concerned, the app is rated at 3.5, definitely worse than the industry average by around 400 users. Out of those, around 28% of the users have rated this app at either 1 or 2. Basically, around 1/3 of the users are unsatisfied with the overall app's performance. If you look at TradeSmart Online's perspective, they are updating their app within a frequency cycle of 3 to 4 weeks, which is good. And the last update was done on April 13, 2017. The number of installs this app has seen are in the range of 10,000 to 50,000, again an average number. But when you talk to some of the clients, the concerns were around the usability and the user experience of the mobile app. If you look at some of the screens here, the aspects, the features that need to come out, well, they don't really do that in the sense that they should be. So the user experience, the kind of features that they have, it's kind of difficult to use them. So if you are a beginner, you might find yourself having some difficulty in using this mobile app, but by time, yes, you will get a hang of it, but initially you will find some difficult time using it. At the same time, what they do, TradeSmart Online regularly do some sort of webinars on YouTube. You can subscribe to their channel as well and see what kind of education they are providing through these tutorials. Basically what they do is, on a weekly basis, what you have seen is they come up with a webinar and they walk you through different trading platforms so that it makes your life easier, and you can do trading in a much better way. It's your choice. In case you're looking to go ahead with TradeSmart Online, that's a good way to understand the performance of trading platforms. Other than that, it's an average trading platform. We can recommend you to an extent, but simply because there is no concern as far as performance or speed is concerned. On that perspective, the app is doing a decent job, but yeah, you'll have some hard time in understanding some of the features. You have to be aware of that problem. If you talk about Upstox, which is available as Upstox Pro, the mobile app from RKSV, is rated at 4.3, beating the industry average by a significant margin. The app has been rated by around 2,119 users, and only around 10% of the users have rated this app as unsatisfactory. So on a comparative scale, yes, RKSV's mobile app Upstox Pro does far better a job. If you look from their perspective, the last update was done on April 19th. In their case, they are updating their mobile app within a frequency cycle of 2 to 3 weeks, which is really decent sort of duration. Some of the concerns that came to picture were from smaller cities. So this app does not really mold itself as per the internet connection. That particular concern is there. So in case you're using a lower internet connection bandwidth, you might face interconnectivity issues. Other than that, the app is pretty much decent. You can in fact place this app in the top 5 to top 7 mobile apps in the country for trading. At the same time, if we talk about other trading platforms, be it web-based browser applications. So web-based browser applications are something which you can use directly through a browser, something like a Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer or Safari. You just need to log in and you can start your trading. At the same time, there are other terminal-based softwares which you need to download and install onto your desktop or computer. And once you do that, you will just need to log in and you can go ahead with the trading. Now let's talk about these trading platforms in case of TradeSmart Online and Upstox. So we are using digitalblogger.com for reference on this. RKSV or Upstox has different trading solutions. So they've got a Nest trading platform for as far as the terminal-based software is concerned. They also have a web-based application which they call as Nest trading platform. But they've recently come up with another browser application, and we've heard that this is one of the most decent performing web-based applications in the country today. So you can check that out. It will be available through their website. So this is the story of Upstox. If we talk about TradeSmart Online, on the other hand, TradeSmart Online has again Nest. They use the NSE based trading platform, but they also use the same Now Online, which is again a Nest based web based application for their clients. The problem with these kinds of softwares is that you don't really have a lot of control when it comes to optimizations and updations of features. Generally, these are NSE based applications, and the control stays with more or less with them. So as far as picking up one stockbroker based on a trading platform is concerned, you can pick Upstox as compared to TradeSmart Online in terms of the kind of usability, user experience and performance their trading platforms provide. At the same time, in case you're looking to have a detailed review of these stockbrokers, we have laid out article on TradeSmart Online, and similarly we have it for Upstox. You can see by browsing these links here. And what you can do is, if you want to have a detailed look at the comparison we are talking about right now, there is also a link around that where every aspect is being detailed out and compared against each other. We will be putting out all of these links in the video description for you. So this is it as far as comparison between TradeSmart Online and RKSV is concerned. TradeSmart Online, even though it's a small discount broker, gives a decent sort of a competition to RKSV or Upstox. Be it the brokerage part or exposure part or customer service part, TradeSmart Online does a good job. RKSV on the other hand is strong on trading platforms, account opening process and some other features that make it stand out. So it's up to your preferences, your requirements, and based on that you can pick one of these stockbrokers as per your preferences. However, in case you're not finding the kind of stockbroker you are exactly looking for, what you can do is check out this link, ourdigitalbroker.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your preferences there, put in your details there, and we will set up a callback for you as per your preferences. This is it as far as the video is concerned. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Our Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye.